Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. It is Friday and the weekend is coming and I need your help. I created this beautiful product for you and put it up on Kickstarter, but I still need to reach my goal, otherwise it will not get funded. And as you might know, Kickstarter is all or nothing. So please do check it out, and if you like it, please pledge for it, so the other people that already pledged for it will also be able to receive it. I will not go into much detail. I want to keep this video short. I know you have your weekend in front of you and you want to enjoy that. And next to this, I also have a Black Friday sale that is active now on my Tindie store and is active for the whole next week. And you can get 10% off anything you buy on my store. Plus, please do check out my EnviroNode. It has so many features. It has this beautiful IPS display. It has an environment sensor to react for it. It has a human radar sensor. It has a speaker. It has touch sensors. It has a LED. It has an accelerometer that uses it. And you can change the code, of course. It has Type-C. It has wireless charging. It has a microphone. It does have so much, and you can make so many different products with it. All the code will be shared on my GitHub, and you're welcome to download it, edit it, or add your own versions. If you have something else in mind that you want to do, you can turn this into a web radio. I have a code for that, where the display is used in this way. You can use the accelerometer to change the orientation of the display if you want to have this code and the web radio code on here at the same time. You can use the LED in combination with the radar sensor, human radar sensor, 24 gigahertz. It does notice or react to your being in the room. You don't have to move, it just being there, it will react to it, and you can use it with your home automation. It is based on the ESP32S3. It has of course Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything. You can do whatever you like with it. It has a NeoPixel LED that you can use as an indicator, which I do here. It has a light sensor that you can use to dim. Now I'm still talking about this. I do tell what it is, what it has. Like I said, it has a light sensor that you can use. You could use the light sensor or the radar sensor in combination with the light sensor to only work when it's dark in the room. You could have the human presence sensor, use it as like an alarm if it senses that somebody goes in, or if you have this in your drawer, for example, or in your closet, and somebody opens the door, it will notice it, it will sense it, and then it could send out an email. It can do so much. Please, I'm begging here. Do check it out on my Kickstarter. The link is in the description below, that you can just scroll down a millimeter or two and you will see the link, and I will try to add it on the screen here as well. And just check it out if you like it, or just also share it with your friends. Maybe you don't like it, maybe you don't want it white, you want it black or green or yellow. Please share it with your friends or whoever you think might be interested in. I really need your help. Kickstarter only showed this as a new entry and that was it. And I have to do the legwork. I put this on other sites. I didn't get any reply. I got a lot of spam messages that want money and to send it out to people, and then they want, like, it's either a lot of money up to $1,000, or they take 30% from the pledge, or from the amount, and it's just so expensive. And I didn't. This is my first Kickstarter, and I want it to be a success. If I just break even, I spent so much money just to be able to put this on Kickstarter, and so please check it out, share it with your friends, share it with your enemies, just share it, mention it. And anyway, I don't want to hold you up too much from your weekend. Enjoy your weekend and stay safe, everybody.